Hi, my name's Kelly. I just attended Shanti's orientation for her teacher training in yoga, and I just wanted to share what a meaningful experience it was to be able to come and hear Shanti's program that she has put together in this very detailed syllabus for her yoga teacher training. And I can say from my personal experience of looking for a yoga teacher training that this is truly a one-of-a-kind. Everything that Shanti has put into this and that she shared with us is more than just doing the yoga poses. It is truly getting at the essence of what yoga is and how to incorporate it into your life. So as I was looking for a yoga teacher training program, I went online and looked at various programs offered at various studios, at yoga schools, and none of them captured what Shanti is doing in her teacher training. It is truly one of a kind. Everything that she brought in such detail in her syllabus and explained in her orientation is truly the experience I'm looking for, because I couldn't find it anywhere else. She went through the syllabus for her training so thoroughly and with such conviction about the true origins and the true meaning of undertaking a yoga practice, which again is something I don't think you can find anywhere else quite like the way Shanti has researched and put together in her teacher training. So I'm very excited that after this orientation tonight that I will be taking Shanti's teacher training, and I'm so excited to take this journey, begin my journey with her, and I'm looking very much forward to learning all the knowledge that she has to share. And I have to say, one of the many highlights, but a true highlight, was being able to enjoy Shanti's home-cooked Indian meal. It was delicious, and I look forward to many more. And I'm greatly looking forward to being able to learn how I can also learn how to cook that well, because it was a delicious meal. And I am truly grateful that Shanti has put together a program like this.